Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I'm coming at you from the Aldi dumpster on Christmas Day around 4:30. I had a fabulous Christmas morning with my family. I hope you guys have been having a great day as well. I figured since the festivities are over for me and the stores are closed, making it nice and easy, I might as well go check just a few dumpsters. Based on the footprints, it looks like people have already been here, but we'll check it out anyways. My door is very squeaky. All right, let's see if we can find anything. Oh, okay. So we got like some fancy shirts and that little cozy sweater you guys saw. I mean, believe it or not, I actually find a lot of clothes at Aldi, so I'm definitely gonna grab those. There's not much food in here, it doesn't look like, though. Marshmallows, which I probably won't take. It's kind of hard to tell what that is. Maybe a cracker cheese tray? But it looks like we got quite a few clothes. So I'm going to go get my grabber and load these up, and I will show them to you in just a bit. Okay, we found some fun things at Aldi. I will share everything with you at the end of the video. And I am here at Gordon Food Service now. I see a big bag sticking out. Normally I don't look through the bags because there's generally actual trash in there. This one is just cardboard. I hate when it's this full. Again, lots of cardboard. Looks like an open bag of shrimp that I'm obviously not interested in. I don't know. See, this is also trash, but there's some bowl noodle soup in here. Yeah. Okay, well, I will just clean my hands well after this. Looks like we got 3 of those. And those are busted open. Alright. Don't have to worry about people coming out, so no worries there. Let's check the other side. I'm gonna put these in the car real quick. Okay, other side. Oh. Well, obviously frozen lettuce isn't very good, but maybe this is spinach. Oh, is that spinach? Huh, collard greens. I think I can work with frozen collard greens. Those can be good in smoothies. Frozen fruit. I'll take this onion. We got bacon. I'll take that and see how it smells and looks and everything. Got another onion, but that one doesn't look as good. It's just hard when it's this full, guys. Yeah, I can't even get it anywhere else. Alright, so that's all we're going to take from this store. It's just too full to dig around, and then this one's just cardboard. Alright, we are coming up at the next stop. It's been a few hours, so it's dark out now, but I did get myself a fancy little hat that has a headlamp on it. It's looking kind of empty here, but we're at a Dollar General. Ooh. fully loaded Supreme pizzas. Okay, so not totally empty, and it's been very cold. Obviously, the stores were not open today, so this is from at least yesterday, but like I said in my previous videos, it has been super, super cold. And then some basic cheese pizzas. It looks like there's tons of those. I'm not going to take all of those because I still have the Red Baron pizzas that I found here. But I will take these Supremes. All right, give me a second. I'm going to move this bag. Okay, so, sorry. I moved the bags. And as you can see, just tons more pizzas. I'm not going to be able to take them all. I don't have room in my freezer or my stomach for all these pizzas. Let's go back to the other side one more time, though. They do look really tasty, though. There's just no way that I could save all of them. But I think that's it. Just these pizzas and the cheese pizzas in here. All right, we are back. I was going to stop at one more place, but I just decided to head home after the Dollar General over there. And I am set up here in my laundry room because it's not a huge haul, but for just hitting 3 stores on one day, I thought it was pretty good, especially because the stores weren't even open today. So I am excited to share with you what I found. And then I also wanted to share that my water came back, which is fabulous. If you saw my last video, my pipes had frozen. They didn't burst, thankfully, but they had frozen, so I'd been heating them up, and they are back. I'm just going to let them drip slightly until probably Tuesday morning because I'm going to be gone tomorrow, and Tuesday is when it's going to get back to, you know, normal winter temperatures. We weren't able to go visit my grandma on Friday due to the weather, especially in Muskegon where she lives. It was really bad. So we are heading there for me tomorrow, but for you guys, it'll be the day that you're seeing this video. I'm going to go spend the day with her then. So for the haul, which you guys saw me find everything, I ended up taking 5 of the fully loaded Red Baron Supreme pizzas. These are from Dollar General. I couldn't take them all. I just can't fit everything, unfortunately. But I did take 5. I'll try to see what I can do. They look pretty good. I've never had it, so I'm sure I will enjoy. I have the 2 bags of collard greens. These I can use in smoothies and, I don't know, probably even soups and stuff if I wanted to. I didn't take the lettuce because obviously frozen lettuce isn't going to do much good. Same with, like, apples and, you know, fruit like that. It's just, once it's frozen, you can't really enjoy it much anymore. As for bananas, I am fully stocked up on frozen bananas right now. Okay, that tray from Aldi ended up being sweet pretzel bites. So there's, like, 2 different kinds of sauces, the pretzels, and then it looks like salt. I've never liked salt on my pretzels, so I will skip on that, but still a fun find. And then I also found from Aldi these keto-friendly dinner rolls. I guess they're no sugar, which is good, and low-ish carbs for a roll, maybe? I don't know. I'm not sure if that's really low carb, but that's okay. Gordon Foods, you saw me find this bacon. It's not open, but it does appear that, like, the vacuum seal has kind of come undone. So I'm going to look into this, see if I'm going to end up keeping it or not. Usually I do. I love bacon. And as long as it's, you know, not tampered with or anything, we'll see. I got 3 of these bowl noodle soup, hot and spicy flavor. I think they're all hot and spicy flavor. Yep. And then I saw somewhere it said it comes with, like, a dried fish cake. Yeah, dried fish cake included. So I think that's kind of cool. I don't eat these often, like ramen style things, but I'll give it a try. Enjoy that. And then we have the clothing items from Aldi, which I do actually find quite a bit of clothing there, and there's some fun ones in this. So let me just go through and show you. I have this little kid's PJ set. Christmas, you could like match the whole family with this, but obviously I don't have anybody in my life that is this small. So I will probably just end up donating that. That's brand new. And then this brand new men's little sweater zip up. So that's super nice. And then these are fun. I have a few cat, well, probably dog, but they'll fit on the cats. This sweater says fa la 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 la. Kippy, she does not like to wear things, but she will if I make her. Gus doesn't mind. He kind of likes it. These are adorable. I have 2 sweaters. How cute is that? This one's probably going to be a little bit too big, and this one, I don't know, might be a little too small, but I think this one might fit. They're like little jackets. That is absolutely adorable. I'll try to get them on them and put a picture at the end, but no promises because it's been a busy day for them. And these are fabulous. These are fleece-lined leggings, so perfect for this cold weather. Brand new, as you can see. Sorry, everything's sliding down. No, because of that silky shirt. And then I have 2 of these dresses. There's no tags on these, and there's no sizing or anything in them either, but they look pretty cozy and casual. There's a black one right here, and then the exact same one in this maroon color. Long sleeve. I think those are cute. And then this fancy, like, wrap top. Again, that same brand that Aldi carries. It's just like a silky flutter sleeve, mauve colored wrap top. So that's kind of cool. And then this cute plush lounge set. Again, brand new with tags. Very soft. It has the long sleeve top. And then the jogger style bottoms, which I do like that they get tighter at the ankles. So that's it for the haul. I don't often bring you guys along with me to dumpster dive. I'm not good at filming them. I don't like to do it because normally I dumpster dive at night by myself. And today was a little different because it was Christmas, so I felt more comfortable. But, you know, I like to bring you guys along occasionally. Sorry for the poor videography, but that is my haul for the day. I hope you guys have had a fabulous holiday weekend. Back to the work for a lot of you guys, I'm sure. And thank you guys for always sticking around. Have a great new year if I don't post a video before then. And I will put some cat pictures here as well. Thank you guys.